How to fix ChatGPT not working on your browser. If you're trying to use ChatGPT on your phone but it's not working properly in your browser, don't worry, I've got some simple solutions for you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix that issue in no time. First things first, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak or disconnected, ChatGPT might not loop. Simply try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reconnecting to your network. Once the internet connection is stable, simply reload the ChatGPT page and see if it works. Next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can slow things down or cause issues. To do this, open your browser. Simply go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy or Clearing Browsing Data. Now simply choose Delete Browsing Data. After that, close and reopen the browser and try accessing ChatGPT again. Next step is to make sure your browser is up to date. Sometimes older versions of browser cause compatibility issues. Simply head over to App Store or Google Play Store and search for your browser. That may be Chrome, Safari or anything. Now simply if there is an update available, hit on update. Updating ensures you're using the latest version which can fix bugs and improve performance. Now if ChatGPT still isn't working, try switching to a different browser. If you're using a Chrome, switch to Safari or vice versa. Sometimes the issue may just be with one particular browser. And that's it. This quick step should fix any issues you're having with ChatGPT on your phone.